Have you ever stood in front of someone, ready to introduce yourself, and suddenly forgotten every English word you knew? Your heart starts beating faster, your hands feel cold, you want to speak, but nothing comes out. That used to be me. If you have ever felt nervous when introducing yourself in English, you are not alone. Today, I want to share my story. As you listen, imagine that this is your story too. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences if you can, and let's build confidence together. Hello, my name is Emma, and it is wonderful to meet you. Today, I can say those words with a smile, but a few years ago, saying even this simple sentence felt almost impossible. Whenever someone asked me, "Can you introduce yourself?" I became nervous. My mind went blank. I knew the words, but I couldn't put them together. I was afraid of making mistakes. I thought people would judge me or laugh at my English. Because of that fear, I stayed quiet. I watched other people speak confidently while I stood in the background. I wanted to be like them, but I didn't believe I could. One evening, I looked at myself in the mirror. I smiled and quietly said, "Hello, my name is Emma." It sounded strange. I tried again. "Hello, my name is Emma. Nice to meet you." This time, it sounded a little better. That small moment changed something inside me. I realized confidence doesn't appear overnight. It grows one small step at a time. From that day, I made a promise to myself. Every day, I would practice speaking English for just 15 minutes. Some days, I listened to podcasts. Some days, I watched easy English videos. Some days, I read short stories aloud. And sometimes, I simply talked to myself while making breakfast or cleaning my room. Little by little, English became part of my daily life. I stopped worrying about speaking perfectly. Instead, I focused on speaking honestly. Now, let me introduce myself the way I do today. Hello, my name is Emma. I am 28 years old, and I live in a lively city with my family. I enjoy living here because every day feels different. In the morning, I love hearing birds sing outside my window. In the evening, I enjoy walking through the park and watching children play. These small moments remind me to enjoy life. I work as an office assistant. My job keeps me busy, but I enjoy it very much. I answer emails, organize meetings, prepare documents, and help my coworkers whenever they need me. Every day teaches me something new. One thing my job has taught me is that communication is very important. People remember how you make them feel. A warm smile, a kind greeting, a confident introduction. These simple things can create a wonderful first impression. Outside work, I enjoy reading books, listening to relaxing music, drawing simple pictures, and learning English. Learning English has become one of my favorite hobbies. It is not only about grammar or vocabulary. It is about connecting with people. It is about understanding different cultures. It is about opening new doors in life. Sometimes people ask me, "What is your biggest strength?" I smile before answering. I never stop learning. I don't know everything. I still make mistakes. Sometimes I forget words. Sometimes I pronounce something incorrectly. But I don't let those mistakes stop me anymore. Every mistake teaches me something valuable. Instead of feeling embarrassed, I simply smile and try again. That simple habit has made me much more confident. People also ask me about my dreams. My biggest dream is to speak English fluently. I want to travel around the world. I want to meet people from different countries. I want to share stories, make new friends, and understand different cultures without feeling afraid to speak. Another dream is even more personal. I want to inspire people who feel shy just like I once did. Maybe someone watching this video is afraid of speaking English. Maybe that person is you. If it is, I want you to remember something. You don't need perfect English to introduce yourself confidently. You only need courage to begin. Confidence doesn't come first. Action comes first. Confidence follows. Today, when I meet someone new, I follow 4 simple steps. First, I smile. A smile makes me feel relaxed. Second, I stand up straight. Good posture makes me feel stronger. Third, I speak slowly. Speaking slowly helps people understand me better. Finally, I believe in myself. Those 4 simple habits have changed the way I communicate. Whenever I feel nervous, I take one deep breath and remind myself, I don't have to be perfect. I only have to be myself. That thought always helps me relax. If you are learning English right now, I want to tell you something from my heart. Please don't compare yourself with other learners. Someone else's Chapter 20 is not your Chapter 1. Every learner has a different journey. Celebrate your own progress. Maybe today you learned 5 new words. Wonderful. Maybe today you spoke 1 complete sentence. That's progress. Maybe today you introduce yourself without reading from paper. That is a big achievement. Never underestimate small improvements. Small improvements become big success. Now let me introduce myself one last time. Hello, my name is Emma. I am a friendly, curious, and hardworking person. I enjoy reading books, listening to music, drawing, and learning English every day. I believe every conversation is an opportunity to grow. My dream is to become fluent in English, travel the world, and encourage other learners to believe in themselves. Most importantly, I believe confidence grows through practice, kindness, and patience. Thank you so much for spending these few minutes with me. I hope my story reminds you that confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build, one conversation at a time. Now, I have a challenge for you. Pause this video right now and introduce yourself in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Your future confident self begins with your first sentence today. If this story encouraged you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more English listening practice stories that help you improve naturally. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Then write your self-introduction in the comments below. I read as many comments as I can, and I would love to cheer you on. Remember, every word you speak builds confidence. Every mistake makes you stronger, and every day you practice, you become a better English speaker. Thank you for listening. Keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next English listening practice video. Goodbye.